Hi all, how are you? This is just a general introduction and orientation about how far we are with the work of the ActionAid Learning site. And it's also a request on giving us feedback now that we finally have something tangible to show and to present. What I will do is that I'm going to run you through 3 images of the front page and of a training page, and it will go quite quickly because I also attach some images in the mail that you can go through too, but I would like with this video that I present it to you as well so you know what is what. So let me start. Here you see the front page of ActionAid Learning. There's the header on top, there's a menu bar, and the menu bar is just about finding and training, building and training for now. So these are the 2 things you can do here. But basically what you can do here is that you can get trained. And that's the purpose of this site. So that's the menu bar. Then we have a big promotion area. And the promotion area, we can have different kinds of trainings that we present there. It's a slideshow, so it's dynamic. We have a search training area. We have training categories. You know, ActionAid Program Support, HRBA. There are some templates. We can put all the types of categories that we want on. But these are broad categories. Over here we have tags. Those are tags or smaller categories that goes cross-cutting on all the courses. So that's why they're different. That's why there are tags here and there are categories here. And then we also have a little request box where we can write some text or have people needing something. For now, we have just a link there saying, do you need something tailor-made? Then there will go a request to Moses, for example. And then in the bottom, there are more general information. If you're stuck, if you need something else of ActionAid. So this is the front page. It looks like this on a desktop computer. If you use our smartphone with a browser, it will look like this. Here you can see it's the same elements that are there. The slideshow is not there because that would be too heavy for a smartphone. But everything you have to do in order to get trained, you can do that on smartphones as well. The final image is a training site. So here you can see that there's a training called Training Title. It's just to make it as an example. And you can see that here the trainer gives an introduction to the enrolled users, some general information. There are different kinds of activities that the trainer can add to this training. And then we have in each training there will be sessions. Here there's session 1, session 2, session 3, session 4. In each session you can put some content, some text or some images or some videos if you like, but you can also do different kinds of activities. Here there's read a file, there's do an assignment, there's a meetup and so forth. So there's a great deal of flexibility in this system, even though that we start small and later add on and go bigger. Over here there are sidebars. Don't bother to look at these sidebars now, but these sidebars here, or these blocks in the sidebar, are additional information around the course. A participant can see who's logged in right now, who are all the participants in the course. We can put a block saying contact the trainer or expert, share the training, and we recommend another training. We can basically do what we want over here, but for now we do this because then we know what we're doing. This is the ActionAid Learning site for now. These are just images I have shown you, but if you want to sneak peek on the site, actually you can do that. So let me show you. This is the URL, the web address you can just go to and sneak peek, and you can see some of it actually works. The slideshows are going. This is the sneak peeks of the training, which I showed you before. That's also, you can press it and you can go through it. Just do whatever you want. It's up to you. If you wanted to see what kind of information we give to potential participants before they enroll into a course, I just wanted to show you in the system. I do not have it in a nice image, but I'll show you here. So you can see it's this area with this content. that here goes some general information about the course, and we can specify what we want to put in and use that as a template for more trainings later on. That was it. Please provide us with some feedbacks, questions, or comments through the email. It will be nice to get that from you now. So thank you very much for your time.